That acts as a crawl space, right?
Yep.
Okay. We'll start clearing that. Hey, Sam, I'm clearing the crawl space area.
You know what? Instead of doing that, could you not do that?
Okay. Obviously that tool is not going to work. Okay. Hang on. No, I'll shut it off the breaker. Shut it off the breaker box. I hope. Okay, now it's cold. Now you can shut all your water off.
That has snow on it. Don't walk on it.
This valve works. Okay. Now I'm going to go like this and open this. Hear that? That means that it's draining.
Yeah.
So now, I think it's a 40.
It's a 40.
Now we just have to wait for 40 gallons to drain out.
Yeah, leave them here.
So the plan, here's the problem, is that valve, the drain valve there, is not draining. And I don't have all day to drain this thing at a quarter gallon a minute. That's 160 minutes, 40 minutes, it's 4 minutes a gallon. Yeah, it's 160 minutes. I'm not waiting around for that to drain at a quarter gallon a minute. So what we're going to do is, there's a inlet valve back there. I'm going to shut that off and cut this pipe and disconnect this hose and try and manhandle this thing out far enough to get it tipped over and out the front door. So here's this. Shut that valve, which is connected. Wait, maybe I got that wrong. I might still need this. This goes here.
There is a valve there.
Yeah, I just shut that valve. That's the incoming valve.
Okay.
Okay, so I do need this. So my plan then is going to be to cut this and insert this valve. I'm not 100% sure that I need the valve. That's that. So, but I didn't shut that. I'm going to see what happens. Yeah, there's like virtually no flow there, so it's really no point in. There's virtually no flow there, so there's really no point in wasting time. We're going to just shut this back. Now, Mr. Muscles, I'll hold this. What I want you to do is using these and keeping this. This should be fine.
But that's still connected.
No.
Look, it's connected to the water heater.
Yeah, that's what we want. We don't want that thing.
You want that whole thing to come out?
Yeah, I want the whole.
Okay.
I want you to muscle this bitch out of that closet.
is.
Yeah, it's not going to be easy. All right, now don't get too crazy with that because it'll start leaking like it did.
Yeah.
All right. It's just whoever installed it didn't install it very tight. Thank you very much.
That wasn't you. That was. All right. Here we go.
Yeah, I think you were doing good wiggling it back and forth.
Yeah, I know. I need to shift. I'm caught on this. You see this line here coming up?
Yeah, just give it a little give it a little more force. You can do it. Yeah.
I'm strong enough. I just
that you're not going to break that.
afraid of breaking all sorts of shit.
There you go. Keep going. Nice. Okay. You're like the Incredible Hulk, dude.
Nah, dude, it's not even hard. Look.
Okay.
Hard. Okay. So.
All right, now I'm going to get that red cart and. Tipping it back.
Yeah, what do you think I have?
It am full.
Hold on.
And
I need to use a different part of my foot.
don't hurt yourself now.
What?
Okay, go ahead.
Sorry, I can't.
All right, now turn it around turn it around in this room to push it. Keep this up. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get the door.
Am I gonna make it through these towels? You think?
Yeah, just roll right over those towels. Now, hang on. Hold it. Okay, turn. A little bit. Keep turning. All right. Now, we're going to go one motion.
1, 2,
over
3,
the
up
thing.
and over.
Ready, go. That wasn't one motion.
1,
Try it again.
2, 3. Oh, shit! That was heavy. Okay. That's crazy. Now I don't have water heater.
Yeah. I'll see you next week. We'll finish the job.
Which also means I don't have a pot to piss in. Well, that's not true. I just don't have a pot to flush it.
Looks great. So there's a little bit of water on the floor. A little bit of foam that needs to be cleaned up. That room needs to be dusted out a little bit. And there's some white pecks coming through the floor. If you can get a towel or something and clean, let's just get this room cleaned up like it's like as clean as we can get it.
1.
Never be a YouTube star using a level. You slap it up and wait for the comments. Oh, yes. too much.
Shouldn't it go higher?
No.
It's lower.
What do you
than
mean?
the
It'll be lower, measured up with that. I don't care about that. You close that closet door, you'll never see it. It's plumb.
This is the water heater we'll be using. It is a Richmond electric tankless from Menards. I chose the instant 2% back option rather than financing at 0% for 6 months because I felt that I had the money to pay for it. I was going to pay it off. And here's the water heater itself. Yeah.
Man, is it little.
Power usage.
Yeah.
I know. But I was heating water all the time.
Right.
So
that's it. That's the thing. You're going to have a good. You should be able to look at your
power bill and see a difference.
And see
a difference of some sort. Yeah.
Because it should be pretty obvious. So I'm going to go like right in here. Want that fish? Here's where level probably should be employed for real. All right, Dan. All right.
Good call.
I'm thinking, but nothing's happening. So this is going to be like this. With that filter hanging down here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. 1.
So if you imagine that, I'm gonna pull this out as far as I can towards the front.
And my spin down filter is just so big. Takes up so much room. You can't really work it. Unfortunately.
Move everything. I'm just move the spin down to the left a little, and then move that whole house filter to the left a little, and then that way it gives us enough room to get in there. You're not gonna have to get in there that often. These are not the
proper screws.
But I like them because they exist. Okay, so I'm going to take the cover off here. Okay, so that's just a cover. That's it.
Yeah.
No electrical connections right there. So there's where your power is going to terminate from your 3 circuits, right?
Mm-hmm.
So those are going to go in there. You put your ground wires in here. Those bare copper wires that come up with them. This is going to go like this and accept all 3 of those number 8s.
Keeps the wires from getting cut.
Right, and it supports them. This is where your hot and cold connections are.
Inlet, outlet.
Right. So you have actually.
Oh, there's water in them.
Yeah, it's been tested, I'm sure.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and leave these on for now. We don't need to put the adapters on yet. So, but you can see these keyholes.
Mm-hmm.
That's where we gotta hang it from. So I'm going to put these 4 screws right here on this.
Mm-hmm.
When in doubt, read the instructions. Pretty close to the edge here. That's it, you're done. Just kidding. Look, we could come right up that hole with the electric.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it's fucking perfect.
Wow, and hold it.
You're gonna have to hold it for a while. Yeah, I feel pretty comfortable with that. Alright. So, then.
Now, what do you need me to hold before you do this?
Your breath.
Har har.
Okay, now that line needs to get brought over into this
Through
line.
that hole.
No, we're just
No?
gonna 90 it over. I'm gonna bend down here and clean this up a little bit, and I think I'm going to.
But the hole is straight.
Hmm?
It's like almost straight
Yeah,
through.
I'm not going down because I.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, okay. That makes sense.
No, I'm just gonna do all our connections up here.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
Is PEX pipe easy to work with by comparison?
There's no sweating involved, so you know it's as long as you get a good clamp on it. There's for you.
Thank you.
90s.
Yeah, oh.
And but I would say
Negligible. Here. Get a wrench? Press it. I have a monkey wrench. Does that work in these cases?
No.
Hey, I had a question.
I don't even know that. I don't even know if I would know a monkey wrench if I saw one. If you're talking about a pipe wrench.
I think I have a pipe wrench.
Pipe wrench you could do this with, but
Not
come on
necessarily.
now. This is I don't like this bracket at all.
Oh, because it means that that's just a metal thing up against.
Well,
There's
I mean,
no.
it's
There's
holding it.
no. I'm saying, but there's no rubber gasket. Should there be a rubberized
No.
gasket or something there?
No,
So, what would you need different? It's just
Okay.
chintzy or what?
Yeah, I think it's chintzy. And I don't like the way that
It turns
in order
the
to
whole.
hold it up, it's really holding it up on this 1-inch adapter.
Yeah.
So
Sorry, I'll back
instead
up.
of being independent from the plumbing,
So it's
not.
just a shittier filter
No,
brand.
no, it's just I don't like the method that they're using to hang it. Right there. Get it straight in there.
I'm not gonna do it. So when you say straight, like how much is that straight considered straight? That's enjoyable. That's actually really fucking enjoyable. That's
Clamp it.
well. This is very satisfying to do. Yeah, I just want to film this for a moment so they can see the valve there. Cool.
Fuck, dude. Alright, then. Now I need that piece of plastic back.
The pipe.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Now this here is educational. I should get I should get some of that big time teacher money. I mean, I could go at an angle like this.
That wouldn't be a problem, would it? No.
It doesn't bother me.
Oh, it's not gonna impede function. It's just aesthetic, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
You know.
If it's just aesthetic, it doesn't matter.
So yeah, I mean, a couple of straps to the wall would be nice to make it nice and tidy, but other than that, plumbing's done. Oh, I need that wrench. Okay, you don't want to put. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, then. So, and you checked all connections.
Every single of the. I checked only the copper rings.
This is closed. That's closed. Okay, so theoretically, we're ready for water, except
The power and everything else.
I got to go down and make connections in the
Right.
crawl space before we. But up here, we're ready for water.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we got pressure to here, and there's no leaks, so that's good. So I believe we're good.
Well, we have to. Well,
we tightened it. No, we're not.
this is tight. Yes.
We don't have to worry anything about that yet. That's
Okay.
on the spin down side.
Yes.
Goes from there to there. We have it. So it go through the filter, right? Yes.
Yep. Come down.
And,
There's a valve.
we're going to pressurize to this valve right now.
Okay.
We might not see much water because it's not flow. You know, it's going to be blocked there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just crack it and see what happens.
Look at that water. Look at that water. You see that?
Here.
That's what this filter's meant to do.
Okay, now it's going to fill that up and go over there and start filling that other one up.
Still brown.
Oh, sure.
Oh, leaking from up there.
Fuck.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so you hear the sound stop, right?
Yeah.
That means it's pressurized. So it's
Pressurized to
listen.
there now.
Listen. Okay, so no more sound. No drips. Is it?
Look at all that. That's crazy.
So
This is clearer, but yeah. Oh,
well, this
I
is
see why.
pre-filtered. What you're seeing here is pre-filtered. It's going. All this stuff is staying on the outside of this filter. So as it collects, it'll get darker and darker here.
And that's why it flushes the bottom, because all the sediment goes to the bottom.
Right.
Then look at that. Even that's brown now. You can see the white down there. And then, wow.
Yeah.
I'm glad we're doing that, because I think that would gum up this water heater.
Yeah, oh, for sure. All right, so what I'm going to do is turn the water on now, the cold water on to the house. Okay.
Okay.
Hot.
Oh, bedroom faucet's on.
Okay. Okay. Here goes.
Cold filtered water to the house?
That's
Yes.
right. I need to start working on this electric for the water heater.
Okay.
So,
Keep filming now.
sure, but I gotta kind of get in there and look and see what I want to do before I. Can you help? Just hold that. Yeah. All right. Well, I gotta go back down. Can I have that headlamp back? Because I gotta go back
Yeah.
down. And, this is wired and ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this back on. And then I'm going to turn this on. Actually, I'm going to get out of here. Make sure we have no leaks on the hot water side. Right, it's not on. Are you running clear now?
Yeah.
Or is it running steady?
Yeah.
All right, you could shut that off.
Shut it off?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Tell us what you're gonna do.
I'm going to turn on the breakers now,
Okay. And then
which is going to energize the water heater.
should I get behind you and face this way?
You do whatever you need to do.
Okay.
You want to go in that way?
Sure. We'll edit this. All right. Number one. I'll watch you. 1, 2, 3. H103, S103, P024, R446.
Whatever the fuck all that means.
Yeah.
Okay, so
We
we're
press
gonna
in,
press in to activate the thing,
off,
and we're gonna dial it.
push again. Okay, now we're at 120. And
Look how easy it is.
yep, it's just a digital 110, 120, 117.
I'm gonna leave it at 119 because that's reasonable.
Okay. All right, and then it goes off automatically.
That's it. Go run some hot water. And you should see this dial up. Are you watching? Here she goes. Oh no, it just ours is different than that. Are you counting?
Is it getting hotter, Sam? No. Wait, are all the valves? Yeah. Warmer? It's getting warmer? Yes?
I think so. Yeah. it's fine on that. And it takes about like 30 seconds for hot water to get here.
But how you feeling?
You're not
How you?
sure. Is it hot?
I'm not sure if it's all the way as hot as.
Yeah, let it keep going. Yep. I'll check back with you in another 10 seconds.
I didn't see the lights dim at all.
That's good.
Yeah,
Ours
yours
did.
draws. Yeah. All right.
It's hot enough.
Checking again. Real hot? Like hot shower hot?
It's not as hot as our other one was. Our other one must have been set hotter.
All right, I'm gonna turn it up.
What temperature is that?
What?
We just turned it up to one. That was 119. He just adjusted to 122. So give it about 10 seconds.
You can do dishes with that?
Yeah.
All right, get on it.
Yeah.
No, that's E5 right now. I don't know what that means. No? I gotta look that up.
Oh yeah, you can see the 100 micron. If we'd have gotten the 50 micron, this would have filled fast.
Alright.
All right, what's next?
You're gonna turn this back on.
I'm gonna
That's it.
Not
and
touch it.
you might want to label your top.
1, 2, and 3, 2, and 1.
Okay.
I got it.
That just water heater, water here, water here.